Congratulations, you've made it to the end of the series. We've built a complete, playable Sokoban game using Phaser Editor, from tile maps, to logic, to polish. Let's take a moment to appreciate what we've created. A modular game structure, reusable Sokoban logic and its own class, clean level design with tile maps, UI and polish, and multiple playable levels. Now let's talk about where to go from here. A few ways you can enhance your game are undo moves. So one popular Sokoban feature is the ability to undo moves. You could track each move in an array and simply step backward when the player presses undo. You could look to implement the command pattern for this feature. You could keep track of the total number of moves, and then add a move counter UI, perfect for players trying to solve the puzzles efficiently. You could also give them a goal to try to complete the puzzle within that number of steps. You could integrate with a different level editor. With Phaser Editor's visual tools, you could let players design their own levels and save them to local storage, and then share them with others. And then finally, things like sound effects. Sound design adds life to the game. Try adding push, goal, and win sounds to celebrate each action. These are all natural next steps that turn your Sokoban clone into a professional quality puzzle game. I encourage you to share your version online, tweak the art, try new themes, and make it your own. You could even turn this into a level-based web game or a mobile build. Because Phaser Editor handles so much of the setup, you're free to focus on creativity. Throughout this series, you learned how to use Phaser Editor 2D to structure a real game, separate game logic from scene visuals, and build levels visually with tile maps. And think like a game architect, not just a coder. This project is the perfect launching point for your own ideas. Try applying what you learned to a new puzzle type, or challenge yourself to implement one of the upgrades we talked about. If you enjoyed this series, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what kind of game we should build next. Thanks for following along, and happy game making!